Welcome to our channel. Today, we explore exactly how you can take Culver's guest satisfaction survey quickly and easily. Welcome to our channel. For all Culver's fans who want to share their dining experience and help improve future visits, taking the Culver's guest satisfaction survey is a simple and effective way to do so. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the entire process to make sure you can complete the survey smoothly and provide valuable feedback. Step 1. First, visit the official Culver's customer feedback website. Usually this web address is printed on your recent Culver's receipt. Step 2. Once there, you will be prompted to enter key information from your receipt. This typically includes the store number, the date and time of your visit, and your transaction number. Make sure to enter these details exactly as shown to proceed. Step 3. After entering the required information, you'll move on to the survey questions. These questions cover your overall satisfaction with the food, service, cleanliness, and speed of service at that particular Culver's location. Answer thoughtfully to ensure your experience is accurately represented. Step 4. The survey may also ask if you encountered any problems during your visit or if you have suggestions for improvement. Don't hesitate to provide honest comments here. Your feedback helps Culver's enhance their service. Step 5. Once you finish answering the questions, you may be asked to provide your contact details if you want to enter a sweepstakes or receive promotions. This is optional. Step 6. Submit your completed survey. After submission, you'll usually receive a validation code which you can use on your next visit to receive a discount or free item depending on the current offer. Taking the Culver's guest satisfaction survey is quick, convenient, and a great way to have your voice heard while enjoying better rewards on future visits. Remember to keep your receipt handy as it contains all the info you need to get started. That's it. Your feedback matters and helps Culver's continue providing the quality they're known for. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful guides and tips.